Hello folks, welcome to the canal del channel Jose. Today we have a problem on our tercel. We're gonna show you what's the problem and what's the solution. So with that said, let's jump right into it. So as we're looking at the engine, here's our PVC, and there's a grommet that goes around here on the valve cover, and this PVC goes right in there so it seals. And the job for this valve is to keep the oil in here and to allow the fumes that have built up here get sucked into the intake and get burned in the engine. But as you can see right now, there's no grommet and this thing is just floating around, so there's a spill of oil here. So we're going to show you how we fix this, because this is a very common problem on all valve covers. So we're going to show you what part number we use to fix this problem. We're going to remove the valve from here to show you how we're going to fix this. And this is there's like a bearing or like a check that only allows air or gases go up and get sucked into the intake, so he burns them through the combustion system. So as fumes build up here, it gets sucked up and then goes into the intake. So we need to seal here between this and the valve cover, and for that we're going to show you what we do. And this prevents from oil from going, also spilling all over the place. So here we have the grommets that we're going to be using, and these are made by Dorman. This is in the help area on the AutoZone. This is where we bought them, and this is 6 of them, different sizes, and the package number is 42339. So we're going to grab one from here to use it on this so it fits in there and it seals. So now we have from the biggest ones on diameter to the smallest ones, but we're gonna fit it on the valve and see which one fits better, and then we're gonna see if it's too big or too long or too short. So first, the diameter. As we can see, we have them by height as well and diameter. So now we just gotta find out which one fits better on the valve. Now we grab our valve, then we try on the first one. It's too big, doesn't fit. The second one looks like a funnel. Put it, it fits right, but it's too long. So this one, it fits, but so far this is better. Now the third one, this fits right on, so in the length is right. So far this one is fitting better than the second one. So the fourth one is loose. The fifth one is kind of small, it's too tight, and the sixth one is just too tight. So this one fit better, so we're gonna be using this. So now we grab our PVC valve, we grab our grommet. This one is gonna go right in there. We're gonna push it in, and then we're gonna put our valve in there, so that this one is gonna seal around there, and then it's gonna make this fit right tight. It's gonna have a tight fit in there, so there's no oil spilling around here. So now we have put our grommet. Now we're gonna our PVC valve. We're gonna put it in. You can just add a little bit of oil to lubricate this so it slides in there, and then it fits. So once it falls, then we can connect the hose into this. So we have put some lubricant into it. So now we put it in and press it in so it sits. So now we have our valve in there, solid, and these grommets, what happens, the original ones dry out and they become hard and brittle, and then when you replace these valves, those can break. So now this is an alternative replacement or repair. So now we put this hose back in there and we're done with this repair. So there it is. We have replaced the grommet. You can replace the PVC valve if it's needed. And then we have no more oil that is going to be spilled around here. So that's another alternative to replace this. And well, folks, hopefully this video was useful and helpful in how to replace those grommets. And they become brittle and it's hard to find them. So this was an alternative to replace that. And that way you stop the leakage of oil from the top down, and then you become the valve starts doing its job once again because there's a tight seal on it. For us, we had to buy 6 of them, which comes in this kit that we're going to leave in the description box, so that way you can go and buy it. But it was a very effective, cheap way to replace the grommet, and no more oil can come or escape through there. So now it's doing its job. So for folks who are watching our video, haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. If you like our video, give us thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here in el canal de Chano Jose.